Good morning, sir. My name is Rimal Pakansa. Topic na to ron, sir, kay ko sir. Explain intact buoyancy and how ship stability will be effective when it is breached. So, mauna, sir, man. Ang isa, sir, kay ang intact buoyancy, staying afloat when all is well. So, intact buoyancy refers to the ability of a ship's watertight compartments to displace water and generate an upward buoyant force when the hull is structurally sound and can't be compromised. Think of it on the ship's inherent ability to float under normal operating conditions. Aspect of intact buoyancy. Archimedes' principle. The foundation of buoyancy lies in Archimedes' principle, which states that an object submerged in a fluid or is a buoyant by or force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. For a ship to float, the weight of the water is displaced must be equal to the total weight of the ship, including its whole cargo crew. So, ang dapat equal ng kabugaton sa barko o sa tubig, sir, na ibot lang sa barko, sir, para mo tarog lutaw ang isa ka barko. Reverse buoyancy. This is the volume of the waterline portion of the hull above the waterline. So, it represents the additional buoyancy the ship can utilize if encounters heavier loads or waves, causing it to sink deeper. A good reserve buoyancy is essential for safety and ability. So, ang reverse buoyancy, sir, mo ni siyang silbing reserve na siya sa hintayin na ay mga dagkong hintayin sa mga counter na siya sa mga bugat na sir, mga load, sir, o makatabang na siya sa mga dagkong bawd para makaya sa isa ka barko para makakuha ang safety. Center of buoyancy or B. This is the geometric center of the underwater volume of the hull. The buoyant force each vertically upwards through the S point. How a beach affects ship stability. The onset of the danger. So, when ship hull is breached, the situation changes drastically. Water enters the hull, flooding one more of the watertight compartments. This flooding has a profound impact on the ship's stability in several ways. The loss of buoyancy. The fluid compartment loses its ability to displace water effectively. This reduces the overall buoyant force acting on the ship. To compensate for this loss of buoyancy, the ship will sink lower in the water. decreasing the freeboard, the distance between the waterline and the main deck, and potentially submerging other compartments. The one and the other is ship in the center of gravity. Okay. The increase of water adds significant weight to the fluid compartment. This added weight causes the ship overall center of gravity, or the point where the water ship weight acts downwards, to shift forwards towards the location of the floating, both vertically, usually downwards, and possibly literally if the flooding is uneven. And the last one is ang kuanan siya, the naval archives employ the various design features like numerous waterlight compartments, double hull in same areas, an efficient dredge system, and operationally produce like damage control plans and ballast management to mitigate the effects of the hull breach and pressure stability as much as possible in emergency situations.